Guys, welcome back to the Mars Family channel. I hope everyone is doing good. We're back with yet another video, another reading video. So in today's video, we're going to be practicing how to read. It is just going to be a very simple video. We're just going to practice whatever we've been covering in those past videos. So we just have simple sentences here, and I would like us to read together so that we can see if we're getting something. So is this. This is one word which says this. In this word, we have a digraph here. These are two letters that make one sound. V. Is this. Is a dog. Dog. If your child isn't able to read, make sure you go back to the very first video that we made. It was about sounds of these letters, and now we're able to bring these sounds together so that we can make sentences, and then from sentences we can make stories. Okay, we have this makes sound. He is his aim. We already saw what we call the silent e. The silent e. This is a word that comes from the silent e. This is a word that follows the silent e rule, whereby the preceding vowel is made a long vowel by this ending e. So instead of reading this as a, we're going to read it as a because of this silent e. So his a aim, and after reading this as a long letter, a long vowel sound, this disappears at the end, so we don't pronounce it. So we have his aim is snow. So this sn, sn is a blend. Remember talking about blend? If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch it. Sn is a blend whereby these two letters are spoken quickly together, but each of these letters makes its individual sound. Sn, sn. And this O, this O, OW is a digraph that makes sound O. Snow, snow, snow. His name is Snow, snow. He is black. Blue is a blend that we looked at in the previous video. Blue is a blend. CK. These two letters CK make one sound. They make one sound. So this is a digraph. He is black. He is black. He is in mine. Mine is a word that follows the silent e rule. So we already talked about the silent e rule. If you haven't watched that video, please make sure you go back and watch it. So this e at the end of this word makes this I a long sound. So this is going to be reading as I, because we already saw that under the long sound, letter I remains I. It remains with its name. So this is I in mine. The E at the end remains silent. And lastly, we have this sentence that says, Snow likes snoring. Snow likes snoring. So we see this word likes comes from the word like, to like, and it follows the silent e rule also. Likes. Snow. This is a blend. I already told you this is a blend. Snoring. Snoring. Snow likes snoring. Snow likes snoring. So we shall have to just put a full stop on this because it is a sentence. It is a sentence. It has to end with a full stop. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. Have a great evening. Comment down below if you would like me to teach something else or anything that you would want me to talk about. Please comment it down below. I wish you a good evening. Bye.